Weather Authority.
In the Weather Center with Lauren Jones, meteorologist Lauren Jones, and you say we're going to have a beautiful day tomorrow.
I know, it was great. I know we've been stuck inside all day here, but at least we, you know.
Maybe tomorrow, though.
On our dinner break, we'll go enjoy it. And we've got the morning tomorrow. It's going to be absolutely perfect. We've got a little fog in the forecast again, much like we did this morning, but it is going to be great. We had a couple of clouds roll through, and we had a few very isolated, even just sprinkles, light showers in southeastern Kentucky earlier on this morning. Those have since trailed out of the region, and we're going to be dealing with mostly clear skies as we head into the overnight hours. You can see some pretty thick cloud cover over Jackson as we started out the early afternoon, but now we've got beautiful blue skies. Same story in Frankfort, or East Frankfort. This is looking north. We've got beautiful blue skies, just a couple of fair weather clouds on top of us. All of the blue skies allowed us to heat up to 72 degrees, about 2 degrees below average for this time of year, and we started out fairly mild, starting out at 60 degrees. The normals for this time of year are low 50s. That's where we'll be headed as we head into this overnight time. We do have a dense fog advisory in effect. However, unlike last night, it's only confined to extreme southeastern Kentucky. Patchy fog for the bluegrass and central Kentucky. Will be dry tomorrow, but then rain returns with a punch on Monday. We're looking at rainfall totals around 1 to 2 inches. It's going to be very widespread. Good news, the severe weather threat looks pretty limited with this system. And then we fast forward to next weekend. We've got another chance for a cold shot. Highs near 60 degrees, and even some patchy frost might enter the forecast yet again. A very pleasant evening setting up, 68 degrees right now. We've got that light northeast wind currently at 3 miles an hour. Pressure holding steady, and dew points are a little bit lower, about 10 degrees lower than they were yesterday, right now in the low 50s. 68 degrees here in Lexington, 62 in Jackson, and 66 degrees in London. A little bit warmer off to our south and to our west, 71 degrees right now in Bowling Green. Again, those dew points are a little bit lower than they were yesterday, and they'll be even lower as we head into Sunday. So it's almost going to be a repeat performance, but a little bit lower humidity as we head into our Sunday. That's all thanks to that light northeasterly wind that'll become calm as we head into the overnight hours, allowing for some fog to develop. Again, that dense fog advisory mainly for extreme southeastern Kentucky, but some patchy fog is certainly possible for central and eastern Kentucky as we head into the overnight and especially early tomorrow morning. We've got mostly clear skies across Kentucky right now. The Midwest is fairly dry. We're going to travel down to Texas, though. That's our next big rainmaker. That's going to be tracking across the southeast over the next several days, but we should remain dry as we head into tomorrow. Again, fog to start off our morning tomorrow, mostly clear skies. We'll have a couple of clouds in the mix tomorrow afternoon. We'll still climb up into the low 70s. So again, a lot like it was this afternoon. However, the humidity is going to be lower. And then we travel into Monday morning. We've already got some showers entering into south central Kentucky, right around the Lake Cumberland region. These showers are going to be spreading from the south to the north. Very widespread rainfall in the forecast throughout our day on Monday. A slow-moving system. We're going to be dealing with these showers overnight and into most of our day on Tuesday as well. We'll drop off to 51 degrees tonight. Mostly clear skies, so comfortably cool. Again, that dense fog reducing visibilities to less than 1/4 mile for southeastern Kentucky, and a high of 72 degrees for our Sunday. Partly cloudy skies, a light breeze, low humidity. It is going to be a great Sunday outlook. We bring back those rain chances as we head into Monday and Tuesday. Those will taper off, maybe just an isolated shower for our Wednesday. And then Thursday's dry. We got that strong cold front on Friday, another shot of rain, and then that's going to bring in cooler air. So as we look ahead the next 7 days for our game versus Mississippi State next weekend, might need a jacket for that game.
Looking ahead already.
Already.
All right. Well, we'll enjoy tomorrow while we have it.
Exactly.
Thanks, Laura.
You're welcome.